Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. Keep your Honda performing at its best with these great service offers only at Conicelli Honda. Start with an oil change and tire rotation for just $74.95. Save big with our Spend and Save coupon, up to $150 off same-day service. Get $25 off front and or rear brake service and keep your stopping power strong. Plus, enjoy a free battery inspection and receive $20 off a battery replacement if needed. Schedule your appointment today at conicelliservice.com or simply call 888-289-5948. Conicelli Honda, a nice place to do business.